Hi, good afternoon. And right now we are in Kensington Palace. And what we are enjoying most is the nature, beautiful nature, flowers, and of course, a lot of birds, including the pigeon. And we just sit here and we found a lot of pigeons are coming. And they're very welcoming, very friendly, and really, really we like it very much. And the things we enjoyed most here is the nature. Be very, very beautiful nature. I must tell you that things visit, come, see and visit, explore the Kensington Palace, and definitely you will enjoy. Yeah. Bye.